Our today's topic again on medicinal plants. Today we study medicinal plants papaver and withania. First we study withania. Common name also Ashwagandha. Belongs to family Solanaceae. Genus Withania, species Withania somnifera. Withania somnifera, also known as Ashwagandha, also known as Indian ginseng, poison gooseberry, and winter cherry, is a plant in the family of Solanaceae. Several other species in the genus Withania are morphologically similar. It is used as a herb in Ayurvedic medicine. The plant description is like a just short shrub, around 35 to 75 centimeter, which have a central stem from which branches extend radially in a star pattern and covered with a dense matter of woolly hairs. The flowers are small and green, while the ripe fruit is orange-red and has milk coagulating properties. The plant's long brown tuberous roots are used for medicinal purpose. This is the most important plant part which have medicinal properties. Ashwagandha in Sanskrit means horse smell. Ashav horse, gandh smell, probably originating from the odor of its roots, which resembles like of a sweaty horse. Cultivation process of Ashwagandha. Withania somnifera is cultivated in many of the dry regions of India, such as Mandsaur district of Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat and Rajasthan. It is also cultivated in Nepal. Climatic and soil conditions for Withania. Withania somnifera is grown as late rainy season. It's a kharif crop, semi-tropical areas receiving around 500 to 750 mm rainfall are very suitable for its cultivation as a rain-fed crop. If 1 or 2 winter rains are received, then root development improves. The crop requires a relatively dry season during its growing period. It can tolerate a temperature range of 20 to 38 degrees Celsius and as low temperature as 10 degrees Celsius. The plant grows from sea level to an altitude of around 1500 meters. Various type of pathogens attack on Withania. Prone to several pests and disease, like leaf spot disease caused by Alternaria is the most prevalent disease, which is most severe in the plains of Punjab, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh. The Coinophora cucurbitarum causes stem and leaf rot of Withania somnifera. Culinary use of Withania. The berries can be used as a substitute for a rennet, which used in a dairy industry to coagulate milk for the cheese making. Chemical constituents and alkaloids. The main chemical constituents are alkaloids and steroidal lactones. These include tropine and cascorhydrin. The leaves contain the steroidal lactone, withanolides, notably withaferin E, which was the first withanolide to be isolated from Withania somnifera. Traditional medicinal use. In Ayurveda, the berries and leaves of Withania somnifera are locally applied to tumors, tubercular glands, carbuncles, and ulcers. The roots of Withania are used to prepare the herbal remedy Ashwagandha, which has been traditionally used to treat various symptoms and conditions. Ashwagandha taken in a particular supplement, articulin F, along with other ingredients, might improve and helpful in arthritis symptoms. Ashwagandha combined with deep breathing and a specific diet might reduce symptoms of anxiety. Ashwagandha might reduce cholesterol levels in patients with high cholesterol. Ashwagandha may be improve attention and impulse control in children with affected by ADHD. Side effects of ashwagandha. Large dosage of ashwagandha might cause stomach upset, diarrhea, and vomiting. Ashwagandha can irritate the gastrointestinal tract. Don't use ashwagandha if you have a stomach ulcer. Ashwagandha may slow down the central nervous system, very negative effect on it. Ashwagandha might decrease blood pressure. Next medicine plant which we study today is Papaver somniferum, opium poppy. We study opium in following contents: introduction, cultivation of plants, process of deriving opium from poppies, opium its derivatives, routes of administration, usage of opium. Botanical name Papaver somniferum belongs to family Papaveraceae. Have a wonderful narcotic effect. Also grown as a ornamental plants. Native place Asia, mostly cultivated in Australia, Burma, Iran, India, Pakistan, and Japan. More than around 25 alkaloids, including morphine and codeine, most affect central nervous system, acts as a painkiller, decrease digestive usage, very highly addictive. Cultivation of opium mainly cultivate in winter season in MP, UP and Rajasthan. Sowing is in October to November, and doda or capsule is the fruit of opium is ready to March and April. Any type of soil but mostly in loam soil rich in organic matter very favorable to opium cultivation. Dull, cloudy or rainy weather not suitable for opium cultivation. For optimum growth, cool weather, adequate sunlight and temperature around 9 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. Collection of opium is February and last up to April. In this pics, we see the collection process of opium. Incisions cuts are made in the pods and the milky fluid that oozes out is air dried. This must be done while the pods are still green. In this pics, we show the process of collection of opium. Contents of the poppy pod fluid: morphine around 21%, codeine 25%. There are at least 20 other alkaloids such as theanine, papaverine, nosepin in the fluid also present. Opium and its derivatives. Raw opium extract mainly have three types of alkaloids: morphine, codeine, and theanine. In this pic, we saw different types of extracted opiums, different type products made from extracted opium. Routes of administration: some smoking opium. At some places, opium dissolved into wine. Some are opium eaters, some are opium drinkers. Heroin is a form of opium used in nervous system is still high because the purity of heroin is extremely high and can be snorted instead of used intravenously. Usage of opium regularly injurious, creates euphoria. Morphine is the most effective and potent pain relieving agent in medicine and used as a narcotic and sedative. Codeine, mild analgesic, widely used as a antitussive or cough relieving agent as a use codeine sulfate. Norcepine, alkaloid used as a antitussive in wet cough and bronchial asthma. Papaverine used as a antispasmodic and vasodilator to relieve pain in coronary and cerebral thrombosis. Used in cough medicines, used for cure to diarrhea, vomiting, and reduced blood pressure. The drug was originally used as a treatment for diarrhea, much as is today. Fresh leaves also used as a vegetable along with moong, seed dana, also known as khaskhas, also have cooling effect used for the making popular drink thandai. Seeds as a source of semi-drying oil, poppy oil, used in paints, inks, and is also used as a vehicle for chemotherapy delivery process. Thanks.